has his.
Sir, I have. Okay, everybody else is sleeping, but we are headed down, taking the back stairway. Down to the beach, right?
Just one more. Oh, shoot.
Thank you, thank you.
Go, go.
Okay, here's our first experience on the beach.
Oh, the sand's moving.
We're the first ones.
Cozy.
How's it feel?
Good. It's cold, but
It is. It feels really cold.
So people.
It feels really cold.
Oh, it's a second one in there.
We need to find our way to the sun. Oh, the water actually feels nice and warm.
Oh,
Compared to the sand. I think our feet are just frozen from the sand. Does that feel good on your feet?
I go feed them.
Look at that little man floating out there. I don't know why I say little man. I always think of a pelican as being a male for some reason. He's just floating out there. We're back and everybody's still sleeping. Oh, no, not Sydney. She's awake.
Thank you, Storm.
Yep. That's the lobby.
We fill a whole elevator. Alright, this is where we always go for breakfast.
There it is. There.
Actually, the hotel had done some renovations actually since we were here last year. She's asking us to take a seat because we have a gentleman who always waits on us here. They're going to let us wait for him for a little bit till he opens up, since we have a few of us in our family to seat. Stella, are you ready to eat?
Feel the sun. Feel the sun.
Scout's little breakfast. Is it good, Scout? You're done already?
No,
Oh, you want the fruit? Yep.
I want to
There it is. Look, they have mango.
And so I know how to help.
I don't want to.
You don't want the egg? You don't have to have it. Put it on your plate. Put it off your plate.
Storm made a little barrier out of fruit all around his plate.
Singing?
No, I think. Mom, I live. Okay. She doesn't
Storm, that was nice. About Big Brother.
Bucks for that.
Bought Big Brother some orange juice. Spilling it all over.
Which ones are you going to wear? Oh, you're going to wear those?
Yeah.
Are those your sunglasses?
No. I was asking Steele, but I forgot you had some on too. You look so cool.
What?
Let me see.
My name
Oh, bless you. We've got to pack up our room because we're moving rooms. So tonight, okay, so last night we had this suite, and then tonight we have 2 rooms connected. Yeah, 2 adjoining rooms, and then we moved back to a suite.
She did it back.
Did you wave it,
She was
Ella?
just clapping on her own, like.
What is he saying?
Look what happens when you're not watching your baby.
We see it right here. Come on. Look at her. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. She's doing it. You guys, she is crawling. Look at her.
Out of nowhere. Why
Oh my gosh, don't move it.
No, do it like
No. What's that thing? What is that?
Wore out.
Mom.
Oh, there she goes. I'm ready.
She just hopped up like a cutie patootie. Come here.
No,
Get it.
next you're gonna just pop up, start walking. You can't grab the camera.
Look at her. Oh, come here. I'm teasing her now. Okay.
Yeah,
Oh, look at her. She's like, oh, so much work. Get up there. Get up there.
oh, this is really
Look at you. Are you happy you can swim?
Mom.
Steele just wanted to come to the pool so he could swim.
Mom.
And Sam is dunking Ella.
Mom, this is the hangout.
I like that. Look at you and Scout. Who is going to take the baby?
Mom, was that my swimming lesson?
Woohoo!
She would always take me to do one at a time. Mom.
Okay, who's taking the baby? Baby, baby. There she is. That's gonna feel good, I can tell. Her little crack is showing.
I ran here to the deep
Look at that face. I'm gonna come in. No, I got yours with fries. Yours are with fries. Okay, here. Somebody pass the towel to Stella just to dry her off real quick, and then you can have it back. Cause I'm gonna. Dad's
There's one
getting
right
towels.
behind you.
It has sand all over it, I think.
Hey, Joe.
I think.
There you go.
Here. Thank you so much.
Okay, let me put up.
I got it. Hold on, you got it? You got it? It's gonna drop. Nope, you don't have it.
And then the other mommy.
Oh, we got it. These birds like the food. Steele,
Yeah,
what you doing, bud?
I can't get out.
Are you digging?
There, little princess. Hi there, little princess. Hi. They're protesting something, but we don't know what. You guys go back up.
All right, Storm and Stella are trying to do a little souvenir shopping. You see anything, Storm? Not yet. You just looking? What was that, Stella? Stay with that, okay? Uh-oh. Stella, what'd you find? Is it what you were looking for? The birds.
No.
Stella pulled one out and I think 4 came falling out. Oh no, babe.
Sunscreen.
Yeah?
I want to go there. How is it far?
Not too far. What are you wanting?
They're like cool cars. Yeah, I saw something I wanted there. Wait, maybe not. Yeah, sure. Yeah, I saw something I wanted there. If someone wants to go there for something, she can come.
You want to go there and look?
Yeah, I told Mom I wanted something there, and she's like, maybe later, maybe tomorrow.
All right. Well, we're gonna cruise down to Ron John. They want to take a look at some stuff down there, so we'll be heading down there and we'll see what we get. All right, here we go. Oh, maybe it's locked. We'll come back tomorrow. They're closed.
It was
Awesome. This is This is a little gift from the hotel that they gave us.
Crackers. Go
Some
get
crackers,
Go
some
get the
cheese,
There's-
some fruit.
But it looked a lot nicer. There's like flowers on this.
Sure.
And I got some of this. But there's another one in the other room with crackers.
We have one in the other room also.
Yeah.
So tonight we actually we're in two rooms, two connecting rooms, and we were in a suite the night before, and then just tonight we have these two connecting rooms, and then the rest of our stay we're in another suite that they have. So
We are?
yep, we'll go. So for the next few days we'll go to another suite, but so.
Wait.
Just to make it work, and with our stay, the availability that they had, so this is the best that we could do. So we'd like to just stayed in there the whole time, but